It feels like just yesterday that Audi enthusiasts in the US celebrated the arrival of the RS6 Avant for the 2021 model year. Fast forward 4 years, and the current generation RS6, along with the broader A6 lineup, is preparing to bow out, making way for a new generation of Audi's mid-size luxury offerings. While it's likely that a new RS6 Avant will be part of the next-gen A6 family, the future of the twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 remains uncertain. What sets the RS6 Avant GT apart? The 2025 Audi RS6 Avant GT may well be a farewell tribute to Audi's V8-powered wagon era. Production is limited to just 660 units worldwide, with only 85 making their way to the US market. Priced at $200,195, the RS6 Avant GT shares key mechanical components with the $127,895 RS6 Avant Performance, including a 621 horsepower twin-turbo V8, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and Audi's signature all-wheel drive system. However, the GT isn't merely about aesthetics. It brings tangible performance and design enhancements, bold design tweaks, and weight-saving measures. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the RS6 Avant GT's refreshed exterior. This includes redesigned front and rear fascias, a prominent rear wing, striking 6-spoke 22-inch wheels, and, for US-bound models, a unique Arcona white paint scheme with bold red and black graphics and matching white wheels. The GT also sheds some of the everyday practicality features seen in other RS6 Avants, such as roof rails, in favor of performance-focused upgrades. It comes standard with carbon ceramic brakes, an $8,500 add-on for the RS6 Avant Performance, and adopts lightweight carbon fiber components, including the hood and front fenders. These fenders feature vents behind the front wheels to reduce air pressure in the wheel arches and enhance brake cooling. Thanks to these modifications, the GT is 88 pounds lighter than its performance counterpart. Enhanced speed and performance. This weight reduction gives the RS6 Avant GT a slight performance edge. Audi claims it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, a tenth of a second faster than the RS6 Avant Performance. Given Audi's tendency to be conservative with its acceleration estimates, Motor Trend recorded a 3.1 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time for the 2021 RS6 Avant. It's likely that real-world testing will reveal even quicker results. A high-octane goodbye. With limited production, exclusive design elements, and subtle yet effective performance enhancements, the 2025 Audi RS6 Avant GT stands as a thrilling send-off for an iconic V8-powered sport wagon. Whether this marks the end of an era or the beginning of a new chapter for Audi's high-performance Avant lineup, one thing is certain. The RS6 Avant GT is a memorable tribute to the ethos of the sport wagon. But the GT is not only quicker than the performance, it's sharper too. Credit tweaks, such as the trim's distinct dynamic drive mode tune for the torque vectoring rear differential, 30% stiffer front and 80% stiffer rear anti-roll bars, and GT-exclusive coil-over suspension. Both the ride height and three-way dampers are manually adjustable. Leave the former in its default mode, and the GT sits 0.4 inch lower than the performance variant. Driving Audi's fast wagon in Germany. At our drive opportunity in Germany, we were unable to confirm the damper setting of the RS6 Avant GT we drove, but we suspect the dampers were in their softest setup. Even so, the GT relished every roundabout and snaking highway on-ramp we pointed it toward. Cornering was flatter than the income tax rate in Kazakhstan, while the low-effort steering's tactile feedback allowed us to comfortably push the Continental Winter Contact TS860S winter tires to their limits. While Continental Sport Contact 7 summer tires come standard on the GT, Audi fit winter rubber to the car we drove in response to the typically cold and gray March weather in Wolfsburg, although the day of our drive was unseasonably sunny and warm with temperatures in the mid-50s. The wagon also felt right at home barreling down unrestricted sections of the Autobahn in dynamic mode. The 8 growling like a lion in a battle for territory as it raced toward the 6,750 RPM red line, and the transmission backing up the drama with a satisfying shove at each upshift. True, you can get this same satisfaction from an RS6 Avant performance. But the RS6 Avant GT is the kind of car that shuns logic and embraces emotion. It's a celebration of what this generation of RS6 aimed to achieve: a dedicated sports car hiding under a wagon body. The 2025 Audi RS6 Avant GT more loudly trumpets its sporting capabilities with its head-turning looks and lowered suspension. It's an impassioned final breath for the 5th generation A6 model line and a celebration of raw V8 power matched with wagon versatility. 2025 Audi RS6 Avant GT, a performance powerhouse. The 2025 Audi RS6 Avant GT pushes the limits of performance and luxury in the high-performance wagon segment. Audi's RS lineup has long been revered for its blistering speed, advanced engineering, and everyday usability, and the RS6 Avant GT elevates these traits to unprecedented heights. With enhanced aerodynamics, more power, and a refined chassis, the 2025 model is sharper, faster, and more dynamic than ever before. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RS6 Avant GT is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, now fine-tuned to deliver an astonishing 630 horsepower and 630 lb-ft of torque. This increased output allows the Avant GT to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the quickest wagons on the market. The top speed is electronically limited to 190 miles per hour, ensuring it maintains supercar-rivaling performance. Audi has also incorporated a 48-volt mild hybrid system to improve efficiency and throttle response. The power is sent to all 4 wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, which is enhanced with a rear-bias torque split for a more dynamic, rear-wheel drive-like experience when pushing the car to its limits. Chassis and handling. The RS6 Avant GT featured a lowered, track-tuned adaptive air suspension that can dynamically adjust damping based on road conditions and driving mode. This gives the RS6 Avant GT a dual personality: comfortable and composed for highway cruising, yet firm and agile on twisty back roads or the racetrack. A rear-wheel steering system enhances maneuverability at low speeds and improves stability at high speeds. Further contributing to the enhanced driving dynamics is Audi's optional carbon ceramic brake package, which offers immense stopping power and reduces unsprung weight. Special lightweight 22-inch wheels, wrapped in sticky, performance-oriented tires, improve grip and reduce rotational mass. Aerodynamics and weight reduction. Audi engineers have focused on optimizing aerodynamics and weight distribution for better handling and efficiency. A carbon fiber front splitter, rear diffuser, and side skirts improve down